Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello and welcome to Easy English Practice. Today we will learn English slowly and easily. This lesson is for beginners. You do not need a teacher. You do not need a school. You only need your voice and your mind. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Let's begin. It is a quiet evening. I sit alone in my room. I have a notebook and a pen. I have a dream. I want to speak English. I want to speak it well. But I do not have a teacher. I do not go to school. So I begin by myself. I say the words again and again. My voice is not perfect, but it is my voice and it matters. Even if no one hears me, I speak. Even if no one listens, I try. Even if I make many mistakes, I do not stop. At first, English feels strange in my mouth. My tongue feels heavy. My lips feel slow, but my heart feels hopeful. I talk to everything like it is my friend. I give words to the world around me. I look at the table and say, this is a table. I look at the chair and say, this is a chair. I look at the window and say, this is a window. I look at the door and say, this is a door. These words are small, but they open a big world. Then I stand in front of the mirror. I look at my own face. I look into my own eyes. I smile and I say, hello, how are you? My reflection looks back at me. It does not speak, but it listens. I say again, my name is learning. My home is practice. My future is English. My voice shakes a little, but I keep going. In the morning, I wake up slowly. The light comes into my room. The birds sing outside. I stretch my arms and I say, good morning. I walk to the bathroom. I look at the mirror and say, this is a mirror. I touch the sink and say, this is a sink. I pick up the towel and say, this is a towel. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I say, I am washing my face. I am brushing my teeth. My English works with me. I go to the kitchen. The kitchen smells warm. The day feels new. I see bread on the table. I sit down and eat slowly. I drink slowly. I think slowly. I am eating. I am drinking. I am learning. Every action has a word. Every word has meaning. After breakfast, I go outside. The air touches my face. The sky looks white. The world feels open. I see a tree. I see a road. I see a house. I see a bird. This is a tree. I walk and I speak. I am walking. I am breathing. I am speaking English. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes my mind becomes quiet. Sometimes I feel shy. But I remember my dream. I want to speak English. I want to understand people. I want to share my thoughts. I want to feel free. So I continue. I talk to the sun. I talk to the sky. I talk to the wind. This is the sun. This is the sky. This is the wind. The world listens to me. The world becomes my classroom. My life becomes my lesson. At midday, I sit on a bench. I open my notebook. I write words sun, sky, tree, road, dream. The words become friends. They stay with me. In the afternoon, I practice again. I stand in front of the mirror once more. I say, hello, my friend. How are you today? I'm fine. I am learning English. My face feels strange. but my heart feels strong. Sometimes fear comes to me. It says, "You are slow." But I answer, "I am growing." Sometimes doubt comes to me. It says, "You will fail." But I answer, "I will try." Sometimes silence comes to me, but I fill it with words. I speak to the walls. I speak to the floor. I speak to my heart. At evening, the sky changes color. The sun goes down slowly. This is evening, I say. The day is ending. I feel tired but peaceful. I go back to my room. I turn on the small lamp. I open my notebook again. I write more words. Mirror, window, world, English. I read them slowly. I read them softly. I read them with hope. Then I think about my journey. I started with one word. Now I have many words. I started with fear. Now I have courage. I started with silence. Now I have a voice. My voice is not perfect, but it is my voice and it matters. At night, I lie on my bed. The room is quiet. The world is calm. I whisper, "Thank you, English." Tomorrow I will speak again. Tomorrow I will learn again. Tomorrow I will grow again. Every day, word by word, sentence by sentence, I become stronger. Even if the road is long, I walk. Even if the night is dark, I shine. Even if my voice is small, I speak. Because my dream is big, because my heart is ready, because my journey has begun. This is my story, this is my practice, this is my English life. And I will continue again and again, day after day, step by step, with my voice, with my words, with my dream. Thank you for spending this time with me. Good night, and see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep dreaming. Please subscribe to my channel.